This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Forget everything you thought you knew about factory robots. What you're about to see from Robotics isn't just automation. This is the dawn of the true AI worker. We're talking about a machine with skills that are about to blow your mind, starting with tasks as simple as organizing your desk. But it's not just picking up pens. Look at this precision. This AI worker is now unplugging dynamixel wiring. These are small, intricate components. Traditionally, a task requiring human dexterity and focus. This robot, handling it like a seasoned technician. The level of fine motor control is already impressive. And here's where it gets really interesting for industry. Now it's placing dynamixels on a conveyor. This is the factory floor of the future, folks. Precise placement, consistent speed, operating tirelessly. Think about the efficiency gains, the reduction in errors. This isn't just a demo, it's a productivity revolution in the making. Warehouse ninjas, take note. Robotis' AI worker is now packing items from shelves. It identifies, grasps, and sorts. Imagine this scaling up. Entire warehouses run by these intelligent machines 24/7. The logistics implications are huge. Okay, but can it handle the delicate stuff? You bet. It's preparing snacks. Notice the gentle grip, the careful placement. This isn't just brute force, it's a demonstration of adaptable intelligence. From industrial components to your afternoon snack, this AI worker is showing incredible versatility. And who doesn't need a coffee break? Get this, the AI worker is now brewing coffee with a machine. It's interacting with another piece of equipment, performing a multi-step task. This isn't just pick and place anymore. This is sophisticated task execution. Your AI barista has arrived. But more, now we're seeing loading for delivery. One robot, the AI worker, is collaborating with another autonomous delivery bot. This is robot-to-robot teamwork, streamlining the entire logistics chain from warehouse to your doorstep. The efficiency is just off the charts. And just when you think you've seen it all, robot cleans robot, this is the mic drop moment. The AI worker is now performing maintenance, ensuring its robotic colleague is ready for duty. This level of awareness and adaptability is what truly sets this Robotis system apart. It's not just working, it's thinking. What you've just witnessed is a glimpse into a future where AI workers tackle an incredible range of tasks. From the factory floor, to the warehouse, to service roles, even maintaining other robots. The versatility is astounding. Robotis isn't just building robots, they're building the workforce of tomorrow. This AI worker technology is poised to transform industries. What task would you want an AI worker to handle? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay on the absolute cutting edge of AI and robotics breakthroughs, make sure you subscribe to AIX. We bring you the future today.